Okay, 179. Okay, a reverse chord has the following properties. Okay, we have the degree of the chord, of the first chord, 3 degree. The degree of chord 2 is 4 degrees. Central angle of first, 24 degrees. Central angle of the second is 38 degrees. Stationing of PC is 67 plus 345.23. Determine the stationing of PRC or point of reverse curvature. Use arc traces. Okay, point of reverse curvature. So, we can reverse, I can reverse now. Okay, so mali. This is the okay, so one of PC, and then this is your P and C, and then this is your PT. Okay? Okay. So how can we solve this one, guys? Okay, so since given man ang D1 of D2 class, we can solve the value of any tawag na its respective radius less. Okay, we can solve that. Okay, so we have R1, R2, no? And then itadaan mo tayo rin ang angle class. Pila yung yata. 24 is the first curve. Kanay kay? Nagata guys? 38. Okay, this is 38 degrees. Okay, so let's solve R1. So use arc traces. So we have 20 meter divided by the degree is equal to 2 pi r. Okay, is equal to 360 degrees. Okay, the midday of contrast that is equivalent to 3 degrees pilay R1 mo. Equivalent? 381.97 meter. Okay, the midday of degree 43 pilay R2. Ano ba? 286.40. Okay, 48. Okay, 48 meter. So we have R1, R2 na. Okay? And then, given na, PC class, station sa PC na rin. Okay, is station 67 plus 345.23. Okay? So, ang atong buhatan is what is the stationing at the point of the reverse chord. Okay, galing as PRC. Okay? How can we solve that one? Okay? Ang atong buhatan is to solve the arc length of the first chord. No? So, since anti-R1, anti-chord test, we can solve the arc length. So, arc length, so length of the first chord, or L1, is equal to, or R times length, or 2 pi r divided by 360 degrees. So, we have 2 pi, that is a circumference of 381.97. Ngayon mo, i-ratio class angle. Angle na yan. So, 24 degrees divided by 360 degrees. Okay, pila yung value yan? Ilan eh? Ilan eh? Ilan ba? 160 point? Sarado. Okay, 160 meter. Okay, so the stationing of PRC, okay, is equal to 37 plus, okay, stationing is 345.23 plus 160. So this is equal to 37 plus 11. Okay. 50.23. Okay, 2. Okay, so therefore, guess that is the answer. Okay, 37. Oops. 7. Okay, yung sa letter test. 595 505. Letter 1. Okay, letter A. Okay, problem